Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today I'll be telling about AutoCAD. Okay, so this is my first lecture of AutoCAD. So here I'll be telling about the basics of AutoCAD. Actually, in my lectures, I'll be teaching from the very basic level to the advanced level. So let me first of all open AutoCAD. Yeah, and here I will be using AutoCAD 2025. Okay, that is the latest version till now. So after opening AutoCAD, let the software open. Yeah, after opening, the first thing which is shown here is AutoCAD 2025. Here I can either I can click here and I can open the files which I have already created via AutoCAD, or I can do one thing like I can even open a sheet set or explore some sample drawings here. Even I can go to some drawings here. Okay, or simply I can click here new and I can browse template, or I can create a new sheet. If you need to create a new sheet, just simply click here new, or else you can go here and you can browse some template here. Like these are the various standard templates of the software itself. So I can go here and I can even like AutoCAD ISO. Let me click on this okay, and open it. Yeah, this is the AutoCAD ISO file. After opening the file, the first thing which you need to do is you have to switch off the grid lines. Okay, so for switching of the grid lines, the shortcut button is F7, as you can see here. So simply click on F7 or click here. Okay, now I'll be telling about AutoCAD in details, like what are the things present here. See, as you can see here in this A, this is the, as you can see here, right? Just you have to simply click on this triangle button and see, this is the what menu which opens. This one is known as application menu. Okay, this menu which is opened at this menu is actually known as application menu. So here you can either create new file again, such as drawing sheet or sheet, or you can open the previous file, or you can save it or save as. Save as means, the difference between save and save as is, while going to save as, you can simply save in a different name the full file, but whilst after saving as, such as if you save as, such as I am clicking on save as, such as I have provided the name as drawing.1, save. Now if I will be clicking on going to the application menu and click save, it will get saved at whenever you will be clicking on save, it will the things which are now I am doing here, those things will get saved automatically. After that, you can go to the import. Here you can import even the PDF files, DZN files, other formats, and even you can export from files in the format like DWF, DWFX, 3D, DWF, PDF. So everything you can even import here, or you can export here. You can even publish. Okay, you can simply publish, or you can send to the 3D print services, or you can email the file which you have created, or you can share even online, or share the drawing. Even you can do the printout of this file which you have created. Even you can go to the drawing utilities like drawing properties, drawing DWG comparison, units. Okay, units you can set here, and many things you can do here. Okay, even you can even in the application menu you can go to the options. You can click on this option menu, then the menu will open. Here you can set some values, such as display the color theme, such as here my color theme is dark. Here you can even set the light color theme, such as simply click on apply. Now see, my color theme will be light color, as you can see here, or you can again simply click on dark and the color theme will again change. Okay, After that, these are the various parameters you can set accordingly. I will show you afterwards what these values means. And then the crosshair size, as you can see here, this mouse pointer itself is the crosshair size. So even you can increase the crosshair size or you can decrease the crosshair size. So let me keep the crosshair size as 20. Okay, let me keep this as crosshairs, because very smaller crosshair even sometimes creates problem. So let me keep the crosshair size as 20, apply it. Then even you can go here, then you can save the file. See, in the AutoCAD there are various versions, so you have to keep by default. Like if you go on saving a file as save as, then it will save the file in some name, but in which format it is being saved, whether it is saved in AutoCAD 2018 format or in 2013 format or in AutoCAD 2010 format, always try to save the AutoCAD file in 2013 format, because it is reliable. Because if you will be going to save in AutoCAD 2018 format, that is the latest in this 2025 version, then some persons might be using AutoCAD 2015. Then in that version the AutoCAD 2018 drawing file will not work. So it's better to use 2013 version as default and click on apply it. Okay, then after that you can even click on plot and publish. Here you can like click on Microsoft print to PDF. So if you click on this one, then it will like get published in the PDF format, or you can just try to keep it as default. You don't have to do anything here. And even you can go to the system properties here, graphic performance and all these things, user preferences. Okay, then block editor settings and all these things. There are a lot of parameters which you need to set afterwards. I will show you in everything in details. And now let me go to the drafting. Yeah, even in this drafting settings, this is the aperture size. Okay, the mouse click button, its size, whether you need to keep it a high or a little bit smaller. Try to keep it an average size. Even auto snap marker size, even you try to keep this a bit larger. Okay, then click on apply. Then 3D modeling. Okay, these are the various properties which are created by default. You don't have to do anything here. Now even you can pick box size, even try to create this one a little bit bigger, and grip size also a bit bigger. Okay, apply it. Then go to the profile. Okay, press on OK. See, as you can see here, now my button which I have created, my click button is created a little bit bigger size. Okay, so now I'll again tell you in this menu. I hope it's clear to all of you what is this application. This is the application menu. Here you can go to everywhere, and you can even go to this options menu, and this menu will open. Okay, here you can set whatever I have told. Now after that you can even go to the other, this is the in the bottom portion. I hope type a command as it's written here. This is the command box. And the command box you can type different commands. Okay, you can such as in the drawing, while drawing various figures in AutoCAD, I will type different commands. So at that time I will show what are the various commands we can type here in the command box, and it's very necessary. Okay, after that as you can see here, line, polyline, circle, arc, everything is present here. This full rectangular box is actually known as you can see here, show panels. Okay, so this is a one kind of panel box. Okay, I hope it's clear to all of you. So in this panel box everything is present here, like all this line, polyline, circle, arc, everything is present here. Even I can go to the insert, even I can go to this annotate, then parametric, then view, then manage, then output, then collaborate, then express properties. Okay, so after that now you can go to the quick access toolbar. So where is the quick access toolbar? I hope everybody can see here the triangle mark here. So if you click on this button, as you can see as customize quick access toolbar. So this is the quick access toolbar. So if you click here, the new toolbar opens, such as I will show you. If I will click on show menu bar, see, as I have clicked on show menu bar, the menu bar opens at the top. They're like file, edit, view, insert, format, tool. So this is the menu bar. Okay, so even you can again click and customize accordingly the quick access toolbar. You can even hide the menu bar. Okay, after that, this is the info bar. As you can see here, this is the info bar. If you click here, it goes off. Again you need to click on this one, or you can click as such as a line, just place on line. See, online help not accessible. So from here you can take the online help, because I have not signed in yet. So if you need any help, then you have to first of all connect online. As I have not connected to the Wi-Fi or net, so I cannot go for any online help. Okay, so this is the info bar. So in the info bar you can get various info. Even I can switch it off by clicking on this triangle button, and you can again power it off on by clicking on this triangle. So this is the info bar. Okay, then after that you can see here, this is the AutoCAD ribbon. Okay, in this ribbon you can see here, see in this ribbon you can see here file, home is present, insert is present. Okay, then a note is present. Okay, so this is the AutoCAD ribbon, and in this ribbon there are different parameters are there, which you can click on everything. Okay, then after that you can go to the workspaces. So you can simply click here in this three lines. You can click and you can even go to various settings, as like you can click on units. If you click on units, then units will come. As you can see here, if I uncheck and if I again check it, here this unit buttons opens as like decimal unit, architectural, engineering, fractional, scientific. These are the various units from this workspace. Then after that, even you need to click on dynamic input. So let me click on dynamic input. As soon as I click on here, this menu opens. This is the dynamic input. Okay, after clicking on this, again you can again I will show you about here what are these various features means. After that, just simply scroll down and you can see here workspace switching. So if you just simply click here, the workspace switching will be switched off. Then click here, again the workspace switching will be powered on. Which one is workspace switching? This setting. So if you click here, you can simply go to the workspace settings, such as now I am doing drafting and annotation. So this page is opened. If I need to do some kind of 3D basics, I can click here in this workspace, or if I need to do 3D modeling, then he can click here, or if anything about AutoCAD Classic, then I can go here. Even I'll show you by clicking, such as if I'll go to 3D basic, so the new workspace opens as that is, this is for the 3D basics in this workspace. Now again I'll click here, then I can go to 3D modeling. Okay, this is for the 3D modeling. Okay, so again I can go to the different workspace, like I can click here and I can go to AutoCAD Classic. So this is the AutoCAD Classic. Okay, so these are the various various workspaces which are created by default. So while creating that drawing, either you can go to this AutoCAD Classic because it's a very simple format, or you can simply go to the drafting and annotation. Okay, okay, so after that I will show you about another one thing, that is here palettes are created. So you can go to this layer properties, you can just click here and you can create here different layers, such as for example I can click here for the different layer, different coloring you can do. So I'll show you in details about the various layer properties. Okay, so for going to the layer properties, you simply have to click on this layer properties and you can create here different layer properties by simply clicking on new layer. Okay, if you create a new layer, so you can even give different colors here, like different colors as for the new layer, such as in my diagram, if I will be keeping white color for the full exterior walls, then the green color for my partition walls, then blue color for all my windows, then green color for all my doors. So in this way you can keep different colors and different layers we can create here. Okay, so this is all for today's video. So in my next video I'll be teaching about different things. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you. So thanks for watching my video, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then you can subscribe it, and thanks for watching.